Hello, this is Leela from Ms. Leela Pink Journey. Thank you for stopping by and watching as I share with you what's in the box for the Bernina 475QE. This particular model is from the 4 series of the Bernina line of machines. And once you turn it on, the display will allow you to choose your language first. And then you can move on. The instructional manual is, of course, just jam-packed with everything I need to know on how to operate this machine. I've already started reading this. Great information in here. The Bernina accessory book, it shares a lot of the items that I would love to have, so I'm going to have to choose wisely. Next, we have the warranty certificate. Going to open up a few of the accessories. One of the first accessories is going to be this soft cover. So the soft cover has a nice pocket there on the side, and it also has a nice pocket along the entire back. Snaps across the front for closure. It's pretty nice. Next, I'm going to share with you the accessory bag. And I like that it has an all-around zipper. You can store your presser feet and other accessories in it. Later in the video, I will share with you how I am storing some of my current accessories to show you how they fit in the bag. Next up is this knee lifter freehand system. I'll just read to you about it because I'm not familiar with it at all. But it says it raises the presser foot while lowering the feed dog. I know it fits right there in front of the machine. And it says this creates significantly more space and noticeably improves clearance under the pressure foot. Okay. Next up, we have this clear slide-on table. And the slide-on table is said to increase the sewing surface whereby the area of the free arm is not limited. Slides right onto the machine. There you go. I'm going to show you some more accessories here. We have the 3 spool discs that come with this machine. Small, medium, and large. The spool discs, of course, hold the thread spool in place. Next up, we have the jumbo bobbins. And they are jumbo. They are said to hold 70% more thread onto these bobbins. You get 4 with the machine, and 1 is already in the bobbin case with a little thread on it. They're hefty. And of course, it's a front-loading bobbin case. So next up, we have the foam pad. The foam pad prevents the thread from getting hooked at the spool pin. And these Bernina seam rippers are very nice. I've had a few of them. Next up, the height compression tool. I've learned to love it. You can swivel it together or use them single, and they achieve various heights to even out seams where support is needed, you know, when you have thicker material. Of course, the brush. The brush is used to clean the feed dog and the hook area and things like that. Next, we have the red screwdriver, and the red screwdriver is supplied as an all-around tool. The lubricator. This lubricator is used to fill different areas where you need to oil your machine and keep it lubricated. Next up is the foot control. The foot control is how you make the machine start and stop, and you can control the speed. This is a nice hefty foot control. Included is a nice selection of universal needles. Included is a sample of threads. You can see who they're by on the back there, Mettler, I believe it says. And they're Bernina colors, white, red, and black. The presser feet that were included are number 2, as shown here. It is the overlock foot. Number 4 is the zipper sole. Number 5 is the blind stitch sole for blind stitch hems. Number 37 is the patchwork foot. 3A is the automatic buttonhole foot with slide. Here is the accessory bag filled with a few of my accessories. They fit perfectly. Once you turn your machine on, it'll give you an opportunity to select your language. I have some pretty convenient buttons on the front. The needle up and down button, the slide control, reverse button, thread cutter, several great buttons on the front. Bright front display panel shows information about practical stitches, decorative stitches, alphabet, sewing mode, setup programs, and tutorials are located in there as well. You can select how wide your stitches are going to be and how long or short your stitches are going to be. It has many great features that I'm looking forward to learning more about. The cover with the back and side pockets fits perfectly. The knob on the side here is used to reduce or increase the foot pressure. And here's just an overview of the top knobs and buttons and gadgets across the top and front of the machine. And within the settings of the machine, you can add a personal welcome, as I show here, or you can change the colors of the actual screen. I've changed it to a lighter purple pinkish color here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please take a moment to like and subscribe for more beginner videos. Be safe. Take care.